Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Revolution mascara. So I think this is the first mascara they have brought out. Like, I don't ever remember another mascara from Makeup Revolution. I could be wrong, there might be other ones, but I have never used a Makeup Revolution mascara before, so I'm so excited about this. And yeah, this is what the mascara looks like here. How pretty is this packaging? I love it. So it's like this rose gold packaging and it's quite a chunky packaging. So here it says Revolution on there, like, hang on, Revolution logo is there, and then on the other side it says the Mascara Revolution. So that's what the mascara is called. So yeah, let's just go ahead and we'll get started, and I'm sure you guys want to see how this looks on. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know how it looks either, so I'm very excited about this. This is what the wand looks like there, and it's a really big, puffy and fluffy kind of wand. It looks very similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. You know, that wand is quite hourglass, and if you can see there, this one is quite similar as well. So yeah, it looks very similar, like the brush head on it. So like I said, it is quite a thick wand and brush head, but the actual bristles on it are quite short, which is probably going to be quite good for catching like the lashes at the roots. So as you can see, I have nothing on my eyes just now. It's just like bare lashes, and I didn't put any like eyeshadow or anything on either, so you can kind of see, you know, like how the mascara performs, because sometimes if you have eyeshadow on in the background, you know, it takes away the look of the lashes. So yeah, I just wanted to keep my eyes pretty bare for this. So this is what my eyelashes look like close up, and as you can see, they're quite short lashes. You know, they're not like anything too long, and they're actually quite light as well, you know, and especially since I put my foundation and my powder on, like, it's probably sort of lightened up my lashes a little bit with the powder. Okay, so I'm going to start on this eye. Okay, so this is one coat so far, and it actually looks not too bad so far. Like, my lashes are not the kind of like the straightest, they're all kind of like quite messy lashes. Anyway, this is how it looks just now with just one coat. I'm going to go in with another coat to see if it, you know, builds up and makes it a little bit more fuller. Okay guys, so this is my second coat, and what do you think about it so far? Like, I think it looks okay. Like I said, the lashes on this side are a little bit more messy. You know, they're not very kind of straight and very defined, they're all kind of all over the place. But I think this is maybe making it look a little bit worse, I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. So I feel like if I put another coat on, it might start to clump. I'm not too sure, but what I'm going to do is go onto this eye and see how this one goes now, because one of my eyes, I think it's this one here, the lashes are like a lot better, you know, a little bit more kind of straighter and a bit more kind of like space between, whereas these ones are kind of like, they all overlap and they're all kind of curled, a little bit messy looking. I don't know, like, I just have weird lashes on this side, and this kind of droops down quite a bit here. Anyway, let's go on to the other side and we'll see how it goes on that side. So I'm starting off at the very kind of root of my lashes and kind of wiggling slightly and pulling up. Yeah, these ones look quite good. I'm really liking this one. You know, I've got a good bit of volume there and curl. I don't think there's anything more I can do with these lashes, because like if I add any more on top, I think it'll start clumping, because like my lashes like overlap and everything like that, so I think they'll just start to clump. So what I'm going to do is just apply the mascara to both of my lower lashes now. Okay, so that's me coated my lower lashes now, and I actually really like how it looks on my lower lashes, you know. Even though the brush head is a little bit too big for my lower lashes, I have to be really careful when I'm kind of coating them that I don't hit my skin and things like that, but like I really do like the result and how, you know, how kind of spidery they look on the bottom there. So yeah, I do like them. As for the top lashes, I think they look really good as well. There's a lot of kind of volume in them. This one's a little bit more messy, like I said. Maybe this one looks a bit more voluminous or more kind of like black and things like that in like on camera, just because they're actually quite messy and sort of like intertwined, so it may look like there's a bit more volume here. I don't know, I'll need to look back on the footage. But like this eye here is, in person, it's a lot better because they're more kind of curled and more separated and defined, if that makes any sense. I don't know if it does. But yeah, overall I think it is a really nice mascara. Like, I love how it's kind of super jet black. Like, I forgot to mention that. It's really jet black. I love that about it. There's no clumpiness, which is good, considering the actual wand does pick up like a lot of product. There is a lot of product on the wand, you know, you don't really have to dip it back in again. So like one dip does one full eye, which is great. It's really nice, and I think with like eyeshadow on things like that, it'll just be even better. Even with like a wing liner, that would be amazing. But yeah, like, I think this is a really lovely mascara. I do recommend it to you guys. I don't know if there'll be any bleeding or transferring on my lower lashes. I'll let you know in the comment section if there is. Overall, I really do like how this mascara has made my lashes look, and I do recommend it. I love the packaging and everything of it as well, and it's only £8 from the drugstore, so it's a little bit cheaper than some of the better mascaras in the drugstore, should I say. Like the L'Oreal ones that I normally get are between £10 and £13, I think it's between. Yes. Okay guys, so that is it for my review on Revolution's new mascara. I would love to know what you think about my lashes down below in the comment section. I'm excited to use this mascara more, especially when I've got more of an eye look going on. But yeah, that is it for this video guys. I really hope you liked my review on Revolution's new mascara. If you did, give the video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below if you're brand new to my channel, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!